Assalam guys, Irfan back again with another video, and in this video we will be looking at two of Microsoft Excel's functions, Workday and Workday.INTL. Now let's talk about the first function first. The Microsoft Excel Workday function returns a date that is a given number of working days ahead of or prior to the start date. Now this, because it gives you the working days, therefore it excludes all weekends as well as any holidays that you may specify. Now the workday function is for calculating workdays, milestones and due dates based on the standard working calendar, with Saturday and Sunday being the weekend days. Now for this workday function, the weekend is always Saturday and Sunday. This function is built into Excel from all the way from Excel version 2007 all the way up to Excel 365. If you're running an earlier version than 2007, then you have to enable the analysis tool back. All right, so let's look at the first function first. This is the syntax for the function: workday, start date, number of days, and then the optional holidays. What that means is, for this function to work, you have to supply the start date and you have to supply the number of days. Okay, now the start date is from which to start counting weekdays or working days. Number of days, there's a number of work days to add or subtract from the start date. If you put a positive number here, that will count forward and returns a future date. If you put in a negative number, that comes back with a date in the past. Now holidays, this is an optional list of holidays that you may specify. So those get, if you do specify the holidays, those also get excluded from the work days. Okay, so let's start. Say for example, we have the 1st of August. Okay, now and we want to go 14 working days forward. Okay, now let's see what would be the date on if we go 14 days work days forward from 1st of August. So I'll select workday, start date is your 1st of August, comma, number of days, that's your 14. And for right now, for this example, we will not be specifying any holidays. Okay? And I close bracket and hit enter, and that gives you August 21st. Now let's check this. Now we currently from first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have 21st as the 14th day. So that it told you the number of days, if 14 number of days from the 1st of August will be the 21st of August. And if you notice, we did not count 5, 12 and 6 and 13 because these are Saturdays and Sundays, which by default is the weekend. Okay, now let's specify again, let's do another example, 14, and now let's make it so that 2nd of August, well, let's first check what day is August. August 1st is first day. So what I'm going to do is the 2nd of August is a holiday, and 3rd of August is a holiday, 4th of August is a holiday. So basically Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, let's do another few more. Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So these are your holidays. For whatever reason, these days, 6 days, were public holidays in the month of August. So now what we want to know is, moving forward from 14 days from 1st of August, excluding Saturday and Sundays as weekends, and excluding these, what would be the work day that will, what will be the date if you move forward 14 working days, which means excluding weekends and these days. So we start work day, start date, again 1st of August, comma, number of days is 14, comma, holidays, we'll specify these holidays. And I'm just gonna wrap them in the dollar sign so that the days gets fixed. If you ever copy this formula down, the holidays will not shift. Close bracket, enter. Now, because we specified these 6 days as holidays, the date moved forward by 4 days. Now let's see how that worked out. So 2 is a holiday, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a holiday. Okay, so now we're counting 14 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So the 20th of August is going to be August 25th. All right. Now, we mentioned in the beginning of the video that this number of days, if it's positive, it goes forward, and if it's negative, it goes backwards. You get a date in the past. So let's do minus 14. Okay, and let's see, workday start date. Oops, let me fix that. Yeah, workday start date, comma, number of days, bracket. Notice I'm not going to be worried about these holidays because they're as it is, they are in the future, they're after 1st of August. And this negative sign means we are counting backwards. Hit enter, and that gives you July the 12th. Now let's see. Let's go to July the 12th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and you have 31st as the 14th day. So you were correct. The answer was correct. July 12th is 14 days in the past, excluding the Saturday Sunday weekends. Okay, so that's how you would use the workday function. Now, like I said, workday always has Saturdays and Sundays as your weekend. Now, supposing you have Sunday and Monday as your weekend, or Friday. In some Middle Eastern countries, you have Friday, which is a weekend. So this function would not be able to cater for those circumstances. This would only work when you have Saturday and Sundays as your weekend. Now what we'll do is we'll look at the WORKDAY.INTL, this guy here. So we'll now switch to this sheet here. Okay. Now here the syntax is slightly different. Well, not if it's just got an extra parameter for weekend. So WORKDAY.INTL, start date, number of days, optional weekend, and optional holidays. Okay, so let's start with 1st of August. and number of days is 14. Okay, so let's use this as your data. Start date is August. Weekends, I'm just going to show you that if you do not specify the weekends, it's going to assume that Saturday and Sunday are your weekends. Okay, so we've got August 21, and we should have had the same answer over here. Okay, now let's see if we have. I'm just going to copy the holidays from here. And I'm just doing this to show you that if you're not specifying the weekends, the answer that you get would be exactly the same as with Workday. So workday.international, start date, comma, number of days, comma, weekends, we don't care. So it's basically Saturday, Sunday. I have to specify here because I'm now putting in the holidays. So I need to get past this. And this is your holidays. And close, enter. Friday, August 25th. And you get Friday, August 25th. Now, if you were to do 14 days in the past, we're just doing this to show you that all the options still, give you the same answer. July 12th, and you got July 12th. Now, what we'll do is we'll do a custom weekend. Okay. And we are doing 14. Now, how it does weekends is, let me show you. And by the way, I'm just going to type it up here, so it's available for reference up here. You do not need to remember this because Excel is going to prompt you anyways. So if this weekend parameter is 1 or omitted, okay. So it means Saturday and Sunday are your weekends. All right. Now, if you put in 2, it means Sunday, Monday are your weekends. If you put in 3, Monday, Tuesday are your weekends. If you put in 4, it's Tuesday, Wednesday. If you put in 5, is Wednesday, Thursday. If you put in 6, is Thursday, Friday. If you put in 7, is Friday, Saturday. All right. Then we skip a few numbers and we come to 11, and that is Sunday only. Okay. So when you put 11, what that means is only Sunday is your weekend, meaning Saturday is a working day. If you put in 12, Monday only. 13, Tuesday only. 14, Wednesday only. 15, Thursday only. Okay. 16, Friday only. And 17, Saturday only. Okay. So what this means is, if you put in the weekend, if you don't specify the weekend, like we have not specified over here, we just put a 1, or if you if you don't specify a holiday, then you don't even need to put in the one. It assumes Saturday and Sunday are your weekends. Otherwise, if in your case, or whoever you're making this sheet for has Sunday or Monday as a weekend, you put in weekend as 2, or if it's Tuesday and Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, it's going to be 3, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to be 4, and so on and so forth. Now, if you are in a place where you only have a 1-day weekend, say for example, it's only Sunday, so basically you're working Monday through Saturday, for the weekends you'll put 11, or if it's Saturday only, maybe it's going to be 17. If, like in some Middle East countries, Friday is the weekend, so you put in 16. Okay, so let's see how we would do this. So oops, okay, so here what we'll do is Workday International. Start date is August 1st. Number of days is 14. Now weekend. Let's see. We have already done the Saturday, Sunday. Let's do a middle of the week. Let's do 3 and close bracket. Now you've got 14 days forward from August 1st is August 19. Let's check that. 1, 2. Now, mind you, what we did, the option that we selected was 3, meaning we made Monday, Tuesday the weekend. Okay. So let's see if it works out or not. Monday, Tuesday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's how you're getting August 19. Okay. Let's do, say for example, if Friday only is the weekend. Start date, comma 14, comma Friday only is 16. 16, and you can always see from here Friday only is 16. Okay, and so that's what I meant, that you don't need to remember this. Excel is going to give you a hint of what to put in there. Enter. Is August 17. Now let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, skip this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's how you're getting August 17. Okay. Now, maybe you are in a country where you have a different weekend style. So if you have say for example let's just do it over here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so those are the days of the week. Now, whenever you have a weekend, what you do is you put a 1. Days which are not weekends, you put a 0. So, say for example, you have, in this case, you have your Wednesday as the weekend. Okay, so in this case, what you will do is you will put a 1 for the Wednesday and zeros for everything else. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, now Excel doesn't show you because it thinks it's a number. So let's let me put a quote here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now I will treat it as a text. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, let's use this as your weekend. So 1st of August, 14 days. Start date, comma, number of days, comma. Now you have to define the weekend. So you put double quotes, 001, that's 3 days, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close inverted, close bracket, enter. That tells you it's Thursday the 18th, if Wednesday is the only day off that you're getting. Okay. Now let's see if that is correct. We won't be counting 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. That's how you got August the 18th. Okay, let's do another example. This time around, what we'll do is we have Monday off, but in Tuesday we work, Wednesday off, Thursday we work, Friday off, Saturday we work, and Sunday off. So basically, you're working one day and you're taking one day off. Okay. So let's see. Start date, comma, number of days, comma. Now you're defining this weekend style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That goes to August the 2nd. That's because every other day is a holiday for you. So that's essentially how you would use Workday and Workday International. Just to recap, Workday function gives you the date forward or backward depending on the number of days, positive or negative. Positive means in the future, negative means in the past. It excludes Saturday and Sundays, but as fixed. Weekends, you cannot change that, but you can have other holidays that you can specify as an additional option. In Workday International, this is a more versatile function. What this does is the syntax is almost the same. You have the start date, number of days, then you define what the weekend is. You can have a fixed style of weekends as defined by these numbers here, this style here, or you can define your own style. Okay, and then you can also specify holidays, and it will tell you what the day it is on the day of the week. It is after so many days of in the future, excluding the weekends that you have specified over here and any holidays that you may have specified. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.